Whoa. Hello, my name is Paul Keynes. I work for Lyft. And this is my 2009 Toyota Prius. License plate. I'm making this video to prove that all my seat belts in my car work. This is the driver's seat belt. It works. This is my passenger seat belt. It works. This is the passenger side seat belt in the rear. It works. This is the center seat belt for the back seat. It works. Toyota Prius license plate. This is the back seat behind the driver. It works. Now, you guys really should check with the driver before taking action and canceling someone's account, because it could mean life or death for them. Please take that into consideration. Thank you.